This is Curtis's new eating routine. He likes to sit up straight and the feet have to be bouncing while we eat.
So yummy.
He already finished his carrots and cereal tonight. And this is some pears for dessert. Oh!
Oh, you want this one? Okay.
Say, Daddy, don't eat my dinner. Good job, buddy. Is that yummy? Check out the feet. Tapping the whole time. Check out the piranha. Eating. Curtis boy, you like the pears?
Give it to me.
Yummy.
Oh.
Yummy. Alright, there it is. Curtis eating dinner. This is Curtis eating part 2. There's a little piece of pineapple in that little mesh sack. And he loves it. Feet are still tapping. Holding on for dear life and sucking on the pineapple. Is that yummy? Yummy? Let me see you smack your lip. Alright, do you want one more bite? I think that means we're done. Oh, good. Try again.